joining us today, we'd like to welcome Brian Aubuchon. He's the owner of Holly Bowling Lanes to be exact. Brian, thank you for joining us. We welcome you. Tell us a little bit about what we have going on.
Thanks, ladies. Appreciate the amazing opportunity. Appreciate being here with you this morning. Holly Lanes Bowling Center. It's a great little place. And Holly, I bought it in 2011, and it was in very sad repair. And I could see through all the dust and debris and said, this could be a really great place. I mean, I've been in bowling since I was 4. Started bowling when I was 4. Wow. I started working in a bowling center when I was 11. I walked in, I said, hey, I want a job. And they said, what can you do? I said, I don't know, I'm 11. And then I just started wiping down tables and cleaning up the chrome. And then by the time I was 16, I was running the place. And then by the time I was 21, I bought my first center in Bay City.
Wow.
So I've been doing it my whole life. And my wife and I always joked because we lived a block away from Holly Lanes. We said, we should buy that place. And then one day, just a freak chance of luck, I was in the right place at the right time, and the opportunity was there, and took advantage of it.
So, well, I have a little history here in bowling myself. So when I was a kid, I was on Pinbusters. Do you remember that program?
I do.
I was on Pinbusters, but they failed to tell me that they record it as you win. They continue to record it. So I was on it 4 weeks in a row, but I had the same outfit on all 4 weeks because you record the whole day at one time, right? My hands were bloody. I had blisters, but it was really exciting. So I actually enjoy bowling every once in a while myself.